Hi there, Artist Baby Steps here. Welcome to my channel. One way of making great strides towards improving art skills is by studying other experienced artists' work. Stick along to the end of this video because I have compiled for you a list of amazing Instagram artists that will definitely be a source of inspiration to you as you look at their artwork. I'm going to rank these artists basing on how motivating they have been in my own personal art journey, and we're going to have ranks like great artist, amazing artist, star artist, legendary artist, and the god artists. So stick around to the end of the video and find out who I think is the god artist of Instagram. At number 10, we have the great artist Alexandra Stefaniel. So as you can see, her art, she seems to be using colored pencils, and she has very good shapes and knows how to use her light and shadows. And the drawings are quite cute. So what to take from this is that you can learn how to create cute looking shapes. That's something you can pick from her. At number 9, we have the great artist Samdesart. Samdesart has this distinct style. Like if I come across his artwork anywhere, I can just know that he's the one that drew it. It's a bit cartoony, but the light is so realistic, as you can see in some of these drawings. Quite interesting. Check out his Instagram page to see more of his artwork. It really has a lot of interesting features that you can learn from it. At number 8, we have the amazing artist PX Deluxe. So this guy likes using a lot of ballpoint pen and colored and graphite pencils, as you can see, and he has some very interesting shapes, and he tries to modify the design of the typical references that he uses. And he also has this interesting thing he does with his edges by drawing in these lines that protrude beyond the vertices of the shapes he draws. Yeah, check out his Instagram as well to see more of his interesting art. At number 7, we have the amazing artist Cutest Introvert. As you can tell, this is a digital artist, and what I like most about her work is the softness of the way she shades. Now you can see the skin is so soft and seamless, and her lights and shadows are also interesting. So it's something that I try to learn from her. And if you check out more of her work, you also find that she's also good at lighting. Yeah, so she's worth you taking a look at her Instagram as well. So be sure to check her out. At number 6, we have the star artist Cynics Design. Now, Cynics has amazing shapes, And additionally, he also has a YouTube channel where he teaches a lot about anatomy, shape design. I have to say, he has the most interesting YouTube tutorials on art for me on YouTube. So I'm really a regular on his YouTube channel, just binge watching all his videos. So please check out his YouTube channel. You'll love it very much. Just check it out. And also, look at his artwork on Instagram. But I highly recommend going to his YouTube channel. He has a certain playlist called Quick Anatomy Tips that you will really love, and that it will really help you with your artwork. At number 5, we have Dungu Maiko. This guy is an East African artist, mostly specializing in ballpoint pen. His work is totally amazing. The level of detail is top notch. You really got to check this African out. He's doing a great job on his Instagram account, and you really have fun looking at his drawings. For some reason, most of his drawings are no longer on his Instagram. Probably his account was hacked, but still, the few posts that are still there are still amazing. And check this artist out and follow him on Instagram. You won't regret. Keeps putting out all these amazing ballpoint pen pieces that are very storytelling. It's so nice. At number 4, we have the legendary artist wlop, wlop. So this artist, it looks like he does a lot of photoshopping. He paints, but also uses some Photoshop tricks to enhance his artwork. So he's also inspiring in that sense, on how you can take advantage of the powerful softwares like Photoshop to greatly enhance your work. He probably models some of the background scenes in a 3D software, and then does some compositing in Photoshop. At number 3, we have Ross Draws. Ross Draws has arguably the most vibrant paintings and drawings, with all these colors that just vibrate into your eyes. So amazing to look at. And he has a YouTube channel as well, where he does these very entertaining videos that are really a joy to look at. And his art is amazing as always. This is one of the artists that I saw when I was starting my journey into digital art, and I was so motivated that I bought my first drawing tablet after looking at this guy's work. Absolutely awesome. Check it out, follow him on Instagram and YouTube, and see what you can learn from him. At number 2, we have Ave Arts. Of all the artists that I have presented today, Ave Arts by far is just so amazing. The shapes that he uses in his drawings. Check out this hyena. How amazing is that shape? The shapes that he uses to draw these characters are so interesting. Look at the contrast. Look at the flow in the shapes. It's just so breathtaking. Indeed, this is god tier artwork. Wow, amazing work. Just go to his Instagram page and check out all his artwork. It's just so amazing. At number 1, we have the god artist Jung Il. Now, Jung Il is just a genius when it comes to detail and storytelling. He loves using the brush ink pen, some kind of brush ink pen, but his level of detail in just black and white is just amazing. You just gotta see his work to believe it. See how awesome this composition is. Yeah, the gun barrel focusing, leading you to the window pane, the window mullion leading you to those two people conversing. So interesting. And then many sketches on his Instagram page. Funny sketches, interesting sketches, very detailed sketches, amazing perspective, fish eye lens perspective. This guy is just so amazing. If you don't know him, go to his Instagram channel and see more of his artwork. And so that's it. Those are my top 10 Instagram artists. Please like and subscribe if you liked the video, and also if you have some artists that you love that I have missed out in this video, be sure to write them in the comments so that I can also check them out. Thank you for watching. See you later.